Good day, I'm Jane Langcos from BIT City 1B. Today I will be discussing the parts of analog multimeter, and this is analog multimeter and the test proofs.
This is the scale. The top is the reading for the resistance, and then for the middle part is for the voltage and the current. Then also the range selector and the corresponding ranges. Then the zero corrector for the pointer and the needle pointer to indicate the readings. Then also have here the 0 ohm adjuster. And also we have the test proofs. The red test proofs is for positive and the black test proofs is for negative. Switch it to 250 volts and then the result. Switch it to 10 volts and then the result.